Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Hello Word, where we dive into interesting words and help you expand your English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're talking about a short but very common word, ad. Now, ad is a noun and a B1 level word that stands for advertisement. You might come across ads almost everywhere, from TV to social media, and even on the sides of buses. This word is an easy, informal way to refer to any advertisement you see, whether it's promoting a product, service, or an event. Let's look at some synonyms to get a better feel for how ad works in different situations. Promotion is a good synonym and often used in business contexts. For example, you might say, "Did you see the new promotion for that movie? It looks amazing." Another similar word is commercial. For example, they released a new commercial during the big game. While promotion and commercial carry slightly different tones, they both describe ways of getting attention for a product or service. Now, let's check out some antonyms. A great one is critique, which often refers to a review or analysis rather than an ad. For example, you could say, "The critique of that show was pretty harsh." Another antonym is analysis, which focuses on detailed examination rather than promotion. For instance, she wrote an analysis of the book rather than creating an ad for it. So, how does ad fit into everyday conversations? It's super useful and very common. You might hear someone say, "I saw an ad for a new coffee shop opening nearby," or, "Did you see that ad on your phone?" It's also commonly used in digital settings like social media, where you might hear people say, "There are too many ads on this website." Here are a couple more sentences using ad. "The ad campaign for the new phone is really creative." And, "I clicked on an ad for concert tickets." Short, simple, and easy to use. That's all for today's word, ad. It's amazing how such a small word can be so common and useful in everyday life. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving us a review. Your support helps more people find the show and join our community. I'd also love to hear how you would use ad in a sentence, so feel free to drop your example in the comments. Until next time, keep practicing, and I'll see you soon.